Wait, screen sharing.
Okay, recording niyo siya.
Nana yung recording?
Nana, sir.
Sige, go. Good, maayo. Next class is the... So let's proceed to our... wala na may question sa SIM module na guidelines.
Yes, sir.
Guidelines about ani. So as you can see here, nakita niyo ang sa... So as you can see the student communication, so diba, there is a creation of the UMindanao. So mo dapat ni siya ang ato ang system na ato ang apilan katong sa LMS, di ba? So since wala man naka-create ato ang management diri sa Panabo, so mag-provide na jud mi og printed or hard copy na module kay dili man jud maka-cater mostly sa online class because of the slow nga internet accessibility. So kana siya, so mag-prepare lang mi og module na I don't know if kano sa pa siya available. So kana siya. So here on the week 1, so I uploaded this introduction about the science and technology. So let's proceed to the PowerPoint presentation that I created. So kani siya, ano yung PowerPoint class?
Yes, sir.
Na ay PowerPoint?
Wala,
Yes, sir.
wala, sir.
Wala.
Yes, sir.
So, katong previous slides ako ang gisend sa inyo sa Google Classroom is namoy makitaan nga murag speaker na icon. So, pwede niyo na siya i-click and then madunggan niyo
Yes,
ako
sir.
ang recording or audio. So, good things niyo if
Sa cellphone, sir, no, kay dili madunggan.
Dili
Sa
ko niyo madunggan.
WPS.
Hello?
Pag sa cellphone, sir, ni mo play ang PDF, dili madunggan.
Tama kani siya. If na siya sa phone, is dili siya madunggan jud ay no kay dapat na siya yung Microsoft Office nga naka-install sa phone. Pero good thing lang po ito na sa laptop. So we will now discuss about the Module 1 or the historical antecedents in the course of Science and Technology. So as we all know, diba, science and technology indeed play a major role in our daily life. They make difficult and complicated tasks easier and allow people to do more with so little effort and time. So as we all know, diba, on the current situation, so we are experiencing this global crisis or this health crisis, the SARS-CoV-2 or the COVID-19. So with the implementation or the development of our healthcare professionals or the frontliners, so it is very good to study this GE5 course or the Science, Technology, and Society. So if you go run through with the slide, so the first is we have here on the past times, so the ancient times. So they created first the transportation. So transportation was a significant during that time because people were trying to go places and discover new horizons, and they traveled to trade surplus goods and services in exchange for the things that they lack. So as you are familiar ba with the barter trade, di ba, transportation? So sa una na siya nga na
Yes, sir.
experience, but karon so nibalik na pud ang barter because of this pandemic na wala na tay kwarta. So katong mga things nga nasa tong balay nga wala kay siya ipulo, so pwede mo siya ipa-share sa other na pud na people para makapaghimulos pud siya dito . And then the second one is the communication. So it was also essential in their endeavors to discover and occupy new places. So they needed a way to communicate with the natives of the areas, and they visited so as to facilitate trade and prevent possible conflict. So importante po siya ang communication, di ba, in the past time, because they also facilitate the trade and transportation. So makipag-communicate ka sa imuhang buyer or sa imuhang customer, or it could also prevent some possible conflicts, di ba? So if nagka-miscommunicate or nagka-misunderstanding mo sa imong loved one, so mag-away-away jud pud mo if wala mo nakasinabtanay sa imuhang pamaagi sa pag-inistoryahay, di ba? So if
Sir, bulag dito sir. Ay, waste to storya, sir.
dili mo dung kinsa na ang wala istorya.
Bulag dahil sir, di na mag-set
O gani ba, dagan pag deserving sa kuha nga uy manguyab sa unong sa imong pamangkumag. Pas charot na. Okay, let's proceed to the following pictures. So I already read some of your comments sa thread na kung gi-post sa atong FB group page. So good thing sa inyo na naka-answer mo og tama. Another one is the weapons and armors. So these weapons and armors were important as well in the discovery of new places or the establishment of the new alliances with other tribes. At that time, so during the ancient time, there was always a risk of conflict when people met others with different culture and orientation. Sa survival of the Philippines, so para makasurvive ka sa isla, so kabalo jud ka mo himo or mo gamit sa mga weapons or armors so para makasurvive ka para dili ka mamatay. So patyon nimo kalaban nga mupatay pud sa imuha. So mo pud ni siya ang pulos sa weapons and armors. And then also we have here the conservation of life. So for the conservation of life, so a primary challenge they face is this. So the early people might have been successful in harnessing the rich resources that the world could provide, but their survival posed a great problem. So as we all know, so we are experiencing recently, so diba sa COVID, so if dili ma-conserve ang ato ang life, so dili jud pud ta maka-survive diri sa world. And then also we have here some pictures. So napo kinakit-an ani ninyo nga select ani na term sa akong task or activity sa inyo last week. And then last two slides on the introduction is the engineering. So moreover, in order to integrate their needs during the past or those ancient times, those people, so for better transportation, the establishment of structures for protection from human attacks and natural disasters, and construction of bigger and stronger infrastructures, people ventured into what is now known as the field of engineering. So the development in this field allowed humans to build the structures that would address their specific needs and wants. And then last is the architecture. So ang difference lang sa engineering architecture is it's the science of the technological advancements of a particular civilization. So mani siya ang follow pictures that points out on the engineering and architecture. Okay, let's proceed to the different major technological advancement during the ancient times. So the first one is Sumerian civilization. So can you please state to me, or what can you say about this civilization? Okay, I will call now, starting calling all of you each, one by one. So let's start with Roy Acosta. Is Roy around? Hello? Naa si Roy? Tara na si Roy. Ask to unmute. Kung nang gi-unmute mo, Roy, okay, go. Costa. Naa si Roy?
Sir?
Roy Acosta na si Roy? Wala pa, Okay, let's proceed. Balikan na lang nato niya si Roy. Barbarona. Naa si Barbarona? Hello?
Wala ata, sir.
Wala pa pod, Bernal.
Sir,
Okay,
good
can
morning.
you please state to me what is the Sumerian civilization, Mary Ven? Or what do you remember about this civilization? Or what are their major technological advancement during this civilization, which is the Sumerian civilization?
Dili ma. Putol-putol, sir.
Putol-putol. Nakita niyo ang PowerPoint slide?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So, kita niyo. So, can you please state to me what is the Sumerian civilization?
Hello,
So
sir.
Sumerian civilization is located on the southernmost tip of an ancient Mesopotamia. Sumerians also are known for their higher degree of cooperation with one another and their desire for great things.
Okay, thank you. So, what are the contribution of the Sumerian?
Hello, sir.
Can you remember what are the contribution of the Sumerian?
Hello?
What are the contribution of the Sumerian civilization?
Hello, sir.
Hello, kisa ni si Roy na ni?
Hi, sir.
Hello.
Hello. Voice.
Doon ka na ko. Hello, Roy.
Hello, sir.
Hello. So, can you please state to me what are the contribution of Sumerian civilization?
Ako, sir.
Yes, so Roy Acosta.
So, one of the contribution of Sumerian civilization, sir, is the cuneiform, which is the major contribution of Sumerian, this is the kind of their writing system, sir, for them to communicate and also to impart informations to their fellow countrymen.
Okay, thank you. So the first one is the cuneiform. Very good. So that is correct. What else? Si Bernal. Okay na si Bernal?
No?
No? So what are the other contribution of the Sumerians?
Shopping.
Shopping. Hello. Madungan ka ni mo, gang?
Dili, putol-putol.
Putol-putol. Sige, balikan na lang na ako unya. Gang, sige. Next is Bornia. Charmaine, is she around?
Yes, sir.
Hello. So can you please state to me what are the contribution of Sumerian?
They've made the Uruk city. The first one is the cuneiform. Then the Uruk city, great ziggurat of ore, the irrigation and dikes, and the sailboats, the wheel, and the and these contributions are the evidence of the what is said here na Sumerians are very known for their high degree of cooperation with one another and their desire for great things. So
Yes.
those are the evidences na they do really have cooperation, sir, na especially in making this remarkable things as of up until today.
Okay, thank you, Ms. Charmaine. So again, the other contribution are the Uruk city. So they created this contribution. So this is also a great wonder, diba? So aside from the writing system sa Sumerian na cuneiform, so they build also the Uruk city. So they united. So all the Sumerians are cooperated to build this Uruk city because if na sila conflict, so dili sila maka-create og naani na city. So mali siya ang sa picture sa Sumerian, di ba? So tinabangay jud sila tanan, nagbayanihan para ma-build ni siya na city during the ancient times. So the cuneiform, the writing system. And also another is the great ziggurat of ore, the irrigation and dikes that is important sa agriculture. So that is for the mass production of food items. And also the sailboats that is used for the transportation. So if mag-travel sila from land to land or island to island, so they will use the sailboats. And also the wheel sa land na ni siya nga mode of transportation. And the plow. So muna siya ang following na picture. So most of some of you also here Select these terms. Okay, the second civilization is Babylonian. Miss Lucy Kabuslay, is she around? Lucy. Si Lucy.
Wala, sir.
Wala. Sige, balikan na to. Abigail. She around? Abigail Kama. Si Abigail? Okay, next. Jonaline Castañares.
Sir.
Hello,
Sir.
Hi, Jonaline. So can you
Good
please...
afternoon, sir.
Hi, good afternoon too. So can you please state to me what is this Babylonian civilization?
Wait lang, sir. So, sir, kanang contribution nga Hanging Gardens of Babylon
Yes, what is this Hanging Gardens of Babylon?
was a structure made up of layers upon layers of garden that contains several species of plants, trees, and sa naputol man, sir, ay.
Several species of
Vines.
plants and vines. So para
Trees
asa man
and
ni siyang
vines.
hanging garden?
First one.
Sir?
Nagbuhat aning Hanging Gardens of Babylon?
Unsa to, sir?
Who created the Hanging Gardens of Babylon?
Hanging Gardens made of layers.
Hello, Jonaline. Madunggan ko.
Nadunggan ako, sir.
Who created? Kinsa nagbuhat aning Hanging Garden?
Ang mga tao sa taga-kuan, sir.
Taga-asa nga, kuan? Taga-Panabo?
Babylon.
Taga-Babylon? Kinsa, specific. Kinsa nga king ang nagbuhat sa kaning
Ay, kanong
garden?
sa kuan, sa...
King Nebuchadnezzar.
Kinsa, king?
So, para sa yahang asawa, sir,
Oh, kinsa nga asawa to?
katong si
Kinsa nga queen?
Queen...
Queen Maria? Queen
Oh,
Catriona?
Amit.
Kinsa?
King.
Dili,
King sa
sir.
king.
Kinsa gani?
Si Amethyst.
Oh, very good.
Oh, si
Queen
Amethyst.
Amethyst. So, if tama mo sa quiz na o ganing tong last week, so tama mo si Queen at Amethyst. Pero kinsa nga?
Ay, si King, ano daw, sir? Nebuchadnezzar.
Okay, very good. So that was King
Second.
Nebuchadnezzar II that built
Nebuchadnezzar.
gardens for his wife, Queen Amethyst. So, di ba, you can see on this picture sa Hanging Gardens of Babylon. So mostly girls, you love plants, di ba, or garden. So, garden ta sa to ang mga panghimalay, and then sa sulod sa to ang balays na ay plants nga naga-release of oxygen para ma-distress ta or mawala ato ang mga problema sa life, di ba? So, man siyang gi-create ni King Nebuchadnezzar, the Hanging Garden of Babylon. Okay,
Excuse me, sir.
Aki Hello?
Dito kasulod si Impis, sir.
Impes?
Yes
Sila
po.
ang admit si Mercadal Mama Tabanyag. Okay, let's continue. Next is the Egyptian civilization. Okay, Mr. Archie Kobus. Is he around? Archie.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Taksak do. Ay,
Si Archie
Hello, sir.
Kobus.
Oh, madungog ko mo, sir.
Yes?
Madungog ko, sir.
Oh, naa ka. Sige. Hello,
Okay.
Archie.
Oh, yes, sir.
So, can you
Afternoon.
please explain to me what is this Egyptian civilization?
Okay, Egyptian civilization, they have also contribution like paper or papyrus,
What else aside from the paper or papyrus?
hieroglyphics,
Yes, hieroglyphics. What else?
and aside from that, cosmetics,
Cosmetics,
water clock
water clock,
/ clips. Clepsydra.
clepsydra, yes.
So that are the things that they
Those are.
contributed in Egyptian civilization, sir.
Okay, for you, what is the most important contribution during the Egyptian civilization?
I think the paper,
The
the first
paper.
one.
So why is it important
Yes.
ang paper?
Because paper is very useful when it comes to if you want to communicate, then you can use the paper as you can put writings on there so that people
Yes.
may understand. Yeah.
Okay. Okay, very good. So that is the use of the paper, di ba? So, the Egyptian papyrus was also for their record keeping and communication. So, for all of you as future educator, so, gamit siya kini siya ang paper, di ba? So, kani siya is na create ni siya during the Egyptian civilization. And also, they have a writing system aside sa Sumerian nga cuneiform. So, napod sila gi-create nila nga sariling writing system that is provided to them by their gods. That is called the hieroglyphics. Mana siya according sa Egyptian. And also, another contribution are the cosmetics. That is to enhance the beautification or for the aesthetic beauty of every people. And also the wig. So, kani siya is to enhance also their heads, di ba? For example, katong mga cancerous na mga people, so para madili down sila or downgrade ang ilahang look, so they wear this wig. And also the water clock and Precipdera that also utilizes the gravity that affects the flow of water from one vessel to the other. So those are also the other pictures. So I also see some comments sa katong Facebook group page nga nag-select with ani na contribution, which is the Egyptian. Okay, the fourth one is the Greek civilization. Okay, Miss Judy Ann Dalagite, is she around?
Yes, sir.
Hi, Judy Ann. So can you please?
Hi, sir.
Hi, can you please state to me what is this Greek civilization?
So, Greek civilization has contribution like alarm clock, water mill, Roman civilization newspaper, bound books or codex, Roman architecture. I know.
So among those contributions, so what do you think is the most important for you?
The alarm clock.
Alarm clock. So why is it the alarm clock?
Because it is very useful, especially today.
Why?
Because
Naliog man.
So aside from, why is it useful nowadays ang alarm clock? So dili na ka morning person, tigudto na pug ka mata.
Especially when it comes to time.
Also time, di ba? Because
mga tao, so
yes, time is
time
gold.
is gold.
Yeah, very good. So thank you, Ms. Judy Ann, about this Greek civilization. Okay, another contribution that is important to you, Miss Maria Erica Dalagite. Aside from alarm clock na gi-mention ni Miss Judy Ann, naa si Maria Erica?
Naa, sir.
Hi, hello.
Yes, sir.
Hello. So aside from alarm clock, so what do you think are the other contribution during the Greek civilization?
Sir, water mill.
Water?
Water mill.
Water mill. So sa'y gamit aning water mill? Sa'y pulos
It
aning
is
water
used
mill?
in... I answer.
Para asa ni ang water mill?
Para sa mga ano, sir, mag-produce of rice, cereals, nuts, and for agricultural.
So very good, sir. It's also for the agricultural purposes, like
yes, sir,
the grains, which was necessary form of food poisoning during that.
Food poisoning that time.
Okay, thank you. Next is Riani Dau. Is she around? Rayan?
Yes, sir. Hello, sir.
Hello, nasi Riani.
Hello. Hello, sir.
Hello.
Hello.
Okay, the next is the Roman civilization. So, can you please state to me what is this Roman?
One of the contribution of Roman civilization is the newspaper. The other one is the bound books or codex. And then Roman architecture, Roman numerals. That's it, sir. The contribution of Roman civilization.
So among the contribution during the Roman civilization, so what do you think is the most popular nowadays?
The newspaper, sir.
So why is it the newspaper?
It's because it contains the announcement or the news from the ano sir, from the country or ano.
Yes. So for you, given the chance, so what do you prefer? Watching television or reading newspaper?
For me sir, reading newspaper sir.
Why reading newspaper?
Yo. It's because there are some, what do you call that?
Kinsa man eh. Sorry.
So television versus newspaper. So what is more important? Are you fan of?
Nowadays, sir.
Yes, nowadays. Why is it?
Newspaper, sir, for kanang sa mga tao nga dili afford gani sir ang mga
Yes.
technology. Gamit
Yes.
gid siya ang newspaper. Okay. And then sa mga pud sir, mas ang television sir kay gid nimo ang katong mga balita na wala na sulat sa newspaper nga makita nimo sa television na televised gyud sa mga anchor.
Yes. So if you are a visual learner, so you can imagine what was reported on the news by using television. But this newspaper is the primitive one. So na contribute ni siya during the Roman civilization. So muna siya ang pinakakaraan jud na mode of gathering some information, newspaper, so para dili mabias ang mga fake news. So mas importante jud pud siya ang reading newspaper. Can also we have here the bound books or the codex, also another record keeping during the Roman civilization. Okay, another Roman civilization are what else? I see Divina Gracia. Hi, is I see around? Tra.
Sir.
Hi, I see you're back. Charot. So what
Dili,
are the
sir,
Hello, I see. So what are the important contribution during the Roman civilization? Hello, I see. Joining.
Sir, sa IT, sir, kay kusog daw ang kuan sila hangin yan. Na siya sa kalubihan.
Sige, balik na natin sa IC niya, ha? Kay Michelle, tumatag.
Hello.
Hello. Kilawan. Kay Michelle, so what are the importance of this Roman civilization? Hi, is Michelle around? Naa si Michelle?
Naa siya, sir, pero dili natin siya madunggan, sir.
Hindi siya madunggan siya. Balikan lang po nato, ha? Next, Regine Empes. Is Michelle? Naa si Regine?
Hello, sir.
Hello. So can you state other importance of this Roman civilization? Hello, naapa si Regine? Hello, Nana si Regine?
Hello, sir.
Hello, so can you...
Asa man ang signal?
Sige, laban lang sa signal. So what are the other importance of this Roman civilization?
So, aside from gathering some information, which was the Roman civilization, for example, the newspaper, the bound book or codex.
Yes.
Then, aside from gathering some information, the Roman civilization also brought to us the Roman numerals.
Yes.
So we all know, as of now, still now, we are using Roman numerals in identifying numbers.
Yes.
And then what else?
Papa?
So
that's it for the Roman. So there are
Okay,
only
sir.
4 contributions. Okay, thank you, Miss Regine Empes. So those are the civilization contribution during the Roman civilization. Okay, next, let's proceed to the Chinese civilization. What are the importance of this Chinese civilization? Miss Lindsay, Jalen, Ersan.
Okay, good afternoon, sir. So
Good
the Chinese
afternoon.
civilization is considered to be the oldest civilization in Asia. So if not the world, so also known as the Middle Kingdom, China is located at the Far East Asia. So one of the so the contributions of the Chinese civilization is the silk, tea, Great Wall of China, gunpowder, medieval or Middle Ages, printing press, microscope, telescope, war weapons, and gunpowder di taman, sir.
So there are only 4 in the Chinese civilization. Only 4.
Silk, tea, Great Wall of China, and gunpowder.
Okay, thank you, Miss Ersan. So that's
Yes, sir.
are the Chinese civilization. So they have the tea, so the silk, the Great Wall of China, and then the gunpowder. Okay, next, we are now on the medieval or the Middle Ages. Okay, Miss Charis Pulido. Is she around?
Wala daw siya, sir.
Wala din siya magama. Miss Galvez, the Arnie. One.
Sir.
Yes, hello. Can you please state to me what are these medieval or Middle Ages?
Okay, sir. So one of the contribution of medieval ages is the printing press, microscope, telescope, and war weapons. So printing press is the one of the contribution during these ages. So it is invented, of course, to spread information. So it is a way to publishing books, to spread information. So there are 4 contributions during medieval or Middle Ages.
So thank you, Miss Laarni. Next is Miss Pressy. Is Pressy around?
Sir, wala si Pressy, sir.
Ay, wala si Pressy. Miss Helia. Robilin.
Yes, sir. Good afternoon,
Good afternoon. So among the 4 contribution of the Middle Ages, the printing press, microscope, the telescope, and the war weapon. So what is the important contribution?
For me, sir, is the microscope.
Again?
For me, sir, is the microscope.
So why is it the microscope?
Because microscope is the device where the people to observe organisms that were normally unseen by the naked eye. So for me, sir, microscope is very important until now that na ginagamit gihapon siya.
Yes.
For tawagan na ka ng mag-experiment or kuan sila, sir, ba mangita sila sa mga gagmay na mga thing na dili nila makita through normal sight lang sa eyes, kundi dapat gamitan siya mga microscope so that na makuha pa nila kung sa yung naa dito sa kana siya na specific na thing, sir.
Yes, very good. So, di ba, on this pandemic, so we're experiencing the COVID. So, di ba, our
yes, sir.
I cannot be seen as well as
yes,
the microscope. So, dili po siya makita using microscope. So, napana siya another device pa nga makita siya, di ba, which is the virus. But those microscope are very useful among microorganisms. So, pag minguntang ka ng, ay, lonely man kayo kung alive or I am forever single or alone, but we don't know na para ito yung mga microorganism mga atong katapad karon dara sa tuang mga
Char.
Sa itong cellphone, sa itong laptop, na din siya yung mga microbes nila, mga bacteria, nga nagsige lang gamit-gamit, di ba? Wala ta kabalo. But mo na siya
Nadra ang corona, sir.
sa microscope. So, it was also invented during the middle or the medieval ages.
Yes, sir.
Another is Shalimar Miss Gulay. Naa si Miss Gulay? Shalimar. And Mr. Jet Cyril Hilo. Is he around? Miss Josephine Libago.
Saan man mga tao?
Si Josephine, wala? Limama.
Yes, sir.
Hi, Miss Sophia Limama. So can you please state to me what is your important contribution of this time? Para sa mo, asa pa ang pinaka-importante na contribution aside sa microscope during the Middle Ages?
Printing press, sir.
Printing press. So why is it the printing press? So why is it important for you, the printing press?
Sir, importante siya para mag-publish og book, sir.
So before
para
books, so kailangan siya og
printing press.
So printing press, di ba? So para natin hard copy.
Kailangan mo
So
siya print before niyo.
Oh yes, very good. So para karon sa tuang module, di ba? So wala pa man siya na print because gina-revise pa siya. So importante po ni siyang printing press para ma-print na mo or napon mo copy or hard copy sa inyong module ansiran para dili na ta ni ani kalisod, di ba? On the online class nato. Okay, thank you. Okay, next, let's proceed to the modern times. So what happened during the modern times? So next is Miss Charmaine May Mamak.
So, hi, sir.
Hi, Charmaine. So can you please state to me what happened during the modern times?
Here in the modern times, the booming world population during the 19th century onwards demanded that more goods be produced at a faster rate. People needed efficient means of transportation to trade more goods and cover a larger distance. Machines are required, animals to operate must thus be upgraded. So, what belongs here in the modern times are the pasteurization, the petroleum refinery, telephone, calculator, and that's it.
Okay,
There
thank
are
you, Miss
only 4.
Charmaine. So that was happened on the modern times. Okay, next is Miss Camila Claire Mendoza.
Yes, sir.
Hi, Camila Claire. So can you state to me what do you think is the important contribution during this time?
So if I were to choose, sir,
yes,
the contribution of the modern times, I think the best is the pasteurization. So as a dairy, what do you call this one? Dairy products lover, like the milk, cheese, yogurt.
Yes.
So this is very important since it kills the harmful substances present in the milk. Yan, so kailangan siya i-process pa para dili siya harmful sa ato ang body.
Yes, so that is the pasteurization or that to meet the needs of population, so preserve ang food and also for the food safety became an issue on this pasteurization. So
yes,
relatable po niya siya sa itong microscope ganina which talks about sa biology, sa life. So para ma-safe ang itong take in na mga products such as this dairy product. So we also needed this pasteurization. So thank you, Claire. Okay, next is Mr. Celso Mercadal. Is Celso around? Okay, next, Johanna Faye Nunez. Miss Nunez? Is she here?
Nunez.
Wala si Nunez.
Naa siya, sir, pero tila ko, di madungog niya.
Hindi na dong. Sige, balikan na to. Miss Mikey Janelle Padernilla.
Yes, sir. Good
Hi.
afternoon.
So aside from pasteurization that was mentioned by Miss Claire, so what are the other important contributions during the modern times?
The other, sir, the other contribution of the modern times is the telephone and calculator.
So what is the use of this telephone and calculator?
The use of telephone, sir, syempre, the way of communication, and sometimes it is also the source of news. Kayo sa di ba, pwede po siya ma-radio. And then next is, ang calculator is to calculate, pareha ko sa naay mga business, kay modern times man, kay ano siya, kanang, sa modern times, dara ni kusog ang mga, mga factories, mga businesses, so they need calculator to calculate, especially ilahang mga, ilahang mga gastusunon or whatsoever thereafter. So, morang importante karon ang telephone and calculator, especially karon po time, sir. Mas kailangan po siya, especially sa mga students, o sa tanang kanang mga tao nga naga-working, sir.
Okay, thank you, Miss Mikey. So those are other contribution during the modern times, the telephone and then calculator. So it bombarded on that time, di ba, that modern. So mostly we are overpopulated. So more people na ang nag-communicate. So they uses this telephone. Kay sa unang panahon is hago kayo or gasto kayo ang sige padala or naay messenger nga tao ngay padala nimo from barangay Dria San Francisco and then dito Salvacion. So naay messenger nga tao, and also the calculator is very important, di ba, on this modern time. So bombarded na sa mga industries, mga businesses, or sa pa na mga extracurricular na mga activity nga ginabuhat sa mga tao.
Yes,
Let's proceed now to the Philippine inventions. Okay, next is Mr. Aljun Pagaura. Aljun?
Wala si Aljun.
Wala. Okay, Miss Sheila May Pagulong.
Hello?
Hello, Miss Sheila May?
Sir.
Hello, yes. Madunggan ko na, Miss Sheila May.
Yes, sir.
So, can you please state to me what are some Philippine inventions?
So,
State one.
Philippines has contributed salamander amphibious tricycle, salt lamp, medical incubator, mosquito ovicidal or larvicidal trap system, and a jeepney, sir.
So, what is this salamander amphibious tricycle?
So, salamander amphibious tricycle is kanang tricycle sa sir nga nagaagi sa tubig or sa dagat.
Yes.
Para sa katong mga nabahaan or kanang island to island ang ilang biyahe, sir.
Yes, very good. From the word salamander, di ba, they are reptiles, so they can live on both land and water. So this salamander amphibious tricycle can cross not only on flooded streets but also in some rivers and lakes that may be useful or utilized to travel from island to island. Okay, thank you, Miss Sheila May. Next is Miss Diana Palban. Is Miss Diana around?
Where is it?
Han? Miss Kreska Tagyamon.
Sir.
Hi, Miss. Hi, Kreska. So what are?
Hi, sir.
So what are the other contribution during the Philippine or this Philippine invention aside from salamander?
Okay, so the other Philippine inventions are medical incubator, mosquito ovicidal or larvicidal trap system, and e-jeepney.
So what is this medical incubator?
Okay, so this medical incubator, this one is exclusive for those babies who are what we call premature babies in order to extend their lives. Actually, it is a life supporting system for them, especially those babies nga premature na need pa nila og need og most especially gusto pa gyud sa parents sa ma-extend ang ilahang life, which is nagahatag siya og kanang important benefits po sa mga ginikanan, though gasto siya pero nandiyo uban parents na tukod jud aning medical incubator in order lang nga mabuhi or makuan pa ang life sa ilahang premature babies.
Yes, very good. So who was the doctor invented this medical incubator?
So according here sa atong PDF, sir, it was Dr. Fidel Mundo.
Yes, correct. So she was also the first scholar who admitted at the Harvard Medical School. So the first Asian, di ba? So she's a girl, di ba? A woman that was a doctor here from the Philippines and then go abroad to study from the Harvard Medical School. So siya ang pinaka-first na Asian na naka-eskwela dito or na-guarantee as a scholar. So she invented the medical incubator just using kanang normal lang basket or hot water bottles were inserted between the basket to provide a warm and makeshift food to allow the oxygen circulation sa mga premature babies. Okay, thank you, Miss Rizka. Next
Welcome,
is
sir.
Mr. Phil Althur Onyaz. Phil? Is Phil around?
Sir, madung.
Hello, good afternoon, Phil. So, what are the other Philippine inventions aside from medical incubator and the amphibious salamander tricycle?
We have here the mosquito ovicidal or larvicidal trap system and e-jeepney.
Oh, the e-jeepney. So, what is this e-jeepney?
E-jeepney is a modern type of transportation utilizes electricity instead of the more expensive diesel. It is environment friendly since it does not emit any smoke and noise. So basically, it uses electricity, which is very good in our environment because it does not emit smoke and noise. So it is very also convenient to ride since it is not as noise as the one nagagamit og diesel na jeepney, sir.
So, para asa ni siya ang e-jeepney again, Phil? Medyo hina ang kuan. Hina ang Could you please say it louder? Importance na of this e-jeepney, para asa ni siya?
For transportation.
For transportation. So, a modern type of transportation which it uses what? O siyang ginagamit para maka-travel siya or maka-transport siya from place to another place?
Electricity.
So, they use electricity instead sa modern na jeepney atong ginasakyan karon kay unsa ang ginagamit nila?
Diesel.
So diesel, di ba? So nagagasolina sila. Instead this electric jeepney, so rechargeable lang siya na electricity or energy. So that means so unsa siya nga jeepney, maayo ba siya sa environment or dili?
Maayo, sir.
So maayo siya. So ano maayo man siya sa environment?
Because it does not emit any smoke, sir, or kanang mga noises, so which is very
So wala siya nag-release og unsa nga mga cause og harmful sa environment.
Smoke.
So wala siya smoke and wala pud siya noise. So dili pud siya saba pag maglarga siya or magbuto-butos yung ana. Okay, thank you, Mr. Phil. Okay, another one is Mr. Reggie. Si Reggie Quinones.
Siya, sir, pero...
pero di naman ko natin yung audio, no?
Sir.
Miss Ramos. Si Ramos. Pilatado. Rodriguez.
Naasa yung relatado, sir, pero naka-mute yan.
Naka-mute as si Miss
Sir!
Ana. Sige. Hello, so can you please state to me what are the other Philippine inventions that are proudly Pinoy? Aside sa ilang mention. Hello? Napapa si Mr. Latado? Miss Rodriguez?
Yes, sir. Sir.
Si Miss Latado, go. What are the other...
I think...
Ha?
Katong ano, sir, mosquito, unsa to?
Ovicidal.
Ovidical. Ovicidal to, sir?
Ovicidal. So what is this mosquito ovicidal or larvicidal trap system?
I think, sir, dili ko familiar but also conscious, sir. Pang ano siya sa mosquito, sa mga female, mga, murag dito good mag, ano, ang itlog sa babae nga mosquito, sir.
Yes. So, anong mosquito man ang ilahang main purpose nga dakpon? Anong dili man pwede langaw or bee, honeybee?
Para, ay, kuan siya, sir, kay makakuan man siya kanang mga virus kanang especially ang dengue.
Very good. So that is the dengue. So muna siyang main
Dengue.
point why the DOST or Department of Science and Technology created this mosquito ovicidal or larvicidal para i-trap nila tong female mosquito on the species Aedes aegypti nga mosquito para i-prevent nila or stop nila ang pagpangitlog sa mga lamok. Okay, thank you, Miss.
Female lamok.
Okay, thank you, Miss Emmeline Relatado.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay, next, Rodriguez.
Sir.
Hi. So what are the other Philippine invention?
Madunggan ka, sir.
Oh, yes. Dunggan ta ka.
Na-mention naman salt lamp, sir.
Salt lamp pala pa. Okay, last is the salt lamp. Saan yung salt lamp?
Salt lamp is a solar power, is also a welcome development, but like rechargeable batteries, solar panels are too expensive for ordinary Filipinos. Fortunately, a young Filipina inventor named Isa Miheno was able to invent a lighting system that utilizes a material abundant in the Philippines, salt water. She invented the sustainable alternative lightning lamp or salt, and it is an environment-friendly light source that runs on salt water. It is safer as it poses no risk of fire and emits no toxic gases.
Okay, so why is it environment and friendly also the salt lamp?
Ano siya, sir? Kay ang i-produce lang aning salt lamp, sir, kay gikan sa salt water and dili man na harmful ang salt water, sir, and nindot po ang salt lamp for Filipinos, sir, especially like kanang sa mga magsasaka or sa magtrabaho sa tubig, sir, kay instead na magpalit sila og kanang mga mahalon na mga kanang ilang gamiton pang suga, naana ning gi-invent ni Isa Miheno na salt lamp.
Okay, thank you. So that is the importance of the salt lamp, diba? So it is environmental friendly because it also uses just abundant resources to ang country, which is the salt water, diba, or the sea water. Okay, another one next is Mr. Brian Gel Sabio. Hello, is he around? Brian Gel Sabio. None. Mr. Iken Sanico.
Sir, madungog ra.
Oh, yes, I can. So, again, what is the asan gina-prevent aning salt lamp? Or asan ni siya common na ginagamit?
Ginagamit sa sir about, wait po sir.
Yes, about asan ni siya ginagamit ang salt lamp?
Like sa quad sir, like sa bukid sir.
Like sa bukid. So anong sa bukid man gamiton? Diri sa tuang area.
It is sir, pwede po sa dire sa atong area and sa bukid mas ginagamit din sa bukid sir kay possibly pareha sa uban sir, walay kuryente. Naka-provide sila sa ingon ni nga pabagi sir.
Yes, very good. So it is common among in many rural areas, di ba nga? Wala na yung mga kuryente, or di na maabtan dito mga kuryente. So they created this salt lamp. How about solar power? Kinsang mas mahal or mas barato ang panggamitan, ang kaning salt lamp or ang solar power?
Sir, ano sir? Saba mo gudang iro sir, repeat sir.
So again, between salt lamp and the solar power. So kinsang mas expensive or mas mahal siya pag i-consume sa mga customer?
Ano to sir? Salt lamp and
solar power.
I think sir, solar sir.
Solar or salt?
I think salt sir.
Salt lamp, mas mahal ang salt lamp.
Because sir, kailangan pa manggod siya ipakwat sa ano sir, pag unsa siya paghimo pa unsa magasto pa manggod siya sir ay.
Are you sure?
Yes sir.
So di ba ang salt lamp, it is an environmental friendly light source that runs on the salt water. So dagan di ba bodies of water diri sa tong country. So we have 7,107 na island. So with the use of those salt or those sa seawater, so i-collect lang to siya, and then para mabasigan ni siya ang salt lamp. Unlike sa solar power nga very actually uban nga rechargeable batteries pa siya or it is too expensive. Unlike salt lamp, so mas safer siya that it is may not possess no risk of fire or emits no toxic gases pod. So same siya sa electric jeep.
Hello sir, excuse me sir.
Okay, question.
Sir, kanang mag-back-in lang ko sir, pwede ko mag-exit sir kay lobat naman pa, lobat na dyan siya.
Yes, kinsa ni siya si?
Kubos sir. Kubos sir.
Ha? Ay, Kubos. So, sige, thank you. Gamay na lang po nito ang discussion. So magtiwas na po attendance sa the rest. Okay, lastly, Miss Krista Tabanyag. Sana si Miss Krista?
Sir. Yes. Yes, sir.
Hi, hello. So, from all of this topic, so what do you learn about this module 1? Summary lang sa yung mga nag-catch up ni mo na topic nato.
Goal ka, girl.
Katong kuan tanan, sir.
Ha? Kita siya.
Dili ang sa Greek, sir, kay sayon ra kayo ang sa Greek, sir, kay alarm clock lang og katong watermill.
Oh, ano sa Greek man, alarm clock ug watermill. Nganong naka-catch mo to siya attention sa imuha nga mga contributions sa Greece? Greek.
Kay alangan wala man ko kabalo nga sa ilado nagikan nang ingana di ay.
Oh, wow, so karon na ano nimo?
Kabalo na ko.
Oh, di ba? Then nice mo kayo sa
Direct to the point.
Greece, di ba? Gapo kay mga architecture po dito sa
yes,
Athens,
amang.
Greece,
Yes,
Greek
sir.
gods and goddesses. Okay, thank you for participating, all of you. So, the rest, sobrang kitsa ray present. Kamu katong mga nagtingog, ang uban kay wala pa internet.
Sir, dili ko madungog.
Dili ko niyo madunggan.
Ako, sir, di madungog.
Kasi dili madunggan. Ano na
No,
ko?
madunggan na ba?
Sagar, di ko na ko.
Kanina.
Wala ka cancer.
Ay, sila Kuya Reggie, sir, dili sila madungog.
Ay, ugani si Reggie. Asa mo to si Reggie? Nag-date-date.
Pinapalban po, sir, og si Johanna.
Hi.
Wala ka,
Hey,
sir,
sana all, I woke up like this. Kinsa ni siya si...
Pretty.
So, na may question and clarification. La, hi, baby. Baby girl ni this gagamay. Sa kato lang siya. So, again, ato ang classes MWF ta same time yapon 1 p.m.
So always ta mag-Zoom, sir, MWF.
MWF. Then wala may klase karong Friday kay holiday, happy 12 of July, happy day sa to ang mga single, di ba? So mag-party-party ta single.
Sir, na as a Friday.
Ano, kalimut siya, June 12, Happy Independence Day.
Independent.
Strong independent
Para
woman. Mga anak. And then sa exam ninyo, start na lang po mo ka ng, di ba every exam mo nag-update o bayad sa katong no permit no exam. Pero sige na magpa-exam man gyapon ko sa Like permit. As long as sa finals, lang jud siya nga schedule, ha? Sa Nico.
Sir.
Pero nun per exam.
Ato siya.
Sir, excuse na.
Okay, so tayo nag-excuse, yes?
Sir, I can. Ano, sir?
O, sa Nico.
Monday to Friday, ta mag-Zoom. Ano, sir?
So, mag-announce lang ko sa GC if kano sa ta nga mag-klase or mag-Zoom. So, tomorrow is wala man ko diri sa school and then diri lang man pud ko maka-Zoom kay wala pa man po ko yung wifi or internet connection sa balay. So, diri lang jud ko sa school naga-Zoom. Then, nakaklase lang sa first topic and then ang last topic na lang for the coverage sa prelim exam is mga Wednesday na po yata pero 1 p.m. lang gihapon. So, prepare lang mo every 1 p.m. MWF ko naga-Zoom. Okay
Yes,
na sa
sir.
inyo ha, ni Ani?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so like complain na kanang hinay kay ang net, wala ko yung laptop or iPad. Wala ko
Sir,
yung
skip phone, sir. Panit.
Ha?
Dapat
Sa
ba?
Abigail?
Answer baka
answer, sir.
Ay,
Present gapon.
answer. Isa itong wala na natawag na kuan. Sa Abigail. Asa ganina Abigail? Gitawag
Sir,
ganina.
nanawag ka, sir. Niingon, nagdobo lang mo tingog ni Castanyari, sir. Bantog ako ni mo na dungog.
Ah, tama. Pero naman
Sir,
kaganina.
absent to siya, sir. Ang wala naka-oral.
Ha?
Absent to ang wala naka-oral.
Oh yes. Sige. Yung sabon na
Ulo,
kung tawag
sir.
ang wala. Ay, kita pa to. Sa Michelle.
Tulbaan
Sunod
na
na lang
yung
mo.
sir.
Prepare na lang mo sa next na Zoom na to. Si Abigail, si Michelle, si Kim Harvey. Wala man dyan si Kim Harvey no Barbarona.
Wala, sir.
Present man may karon
Okay, present mo karon sa napa may oral na pod sunod. Dili man wala atong oral diri ah. Okay.
Sige, sir.
Sakit po kayo.
Sir.
Klaro ako yaw. Kamo na pod sunod. Ana pa may questions and clarification?
Sir.
Okay, clear.
Sir, katong about din sa module, sir. Hard copy, di ba?
Yes, so
Printed.
nag-start na po diri og kanang print sa katong module. Pero gina-finalize pa siya kay napay na review nga
Onion.
copy.
Tapos, saan na pag ano, sir, ihatag sa mga, deliver,
karon
ana?
mag-house to house gadto sa mga balay. Magsulungon to mo sa yung mga balay.
Ito kag Davao, sir.
O,
Ito kag Davao.
Kasama diri sa inyo nga, napay taga-abusa. Di ba?
Tabok kag sa
Virus lang mi ani.
Sama
Ito siya. Sige, update lang ko sa inyo usab.
I-update lang ni
Kanas
sir.
na pod, ha?
Sa
Ako.
module. Okay, sir.
Gusto dyo kayo itong system good nga para sa ani nga. Kuan, mag-Zoom pa ta, mag-FB group page, then mag-group chat. Wala pa mo tayo system na na-create para sa UM Matina. Kaya na po ko'y college classmate dito o kanang high school classmate nga nag-teach pa sila sa UM Min. So, katoy lang ginagamit the UM Blackboard and then LMS. So, pwede sila maka-communicate dito, maka-post o mga announcement, mag-recording, para
Link
sa
na lang
ani,
ng
prag-iisa na gudya tanan. So, wala pa mata naka-create dito sa
sir.
Panabo. So, hopefully, mga August, starting August, is makabuhat na ang mga IT nga expert na diri sa ato ang management. So, kato lang. So, do you have questions and clarification?
Sir.
Question?
Sir.
Yes.
Sir. Excuse me, sir.
Yes, akisa ni si?
Yes, sir.
Sige, kisa wag question. La Arnie?
Sir, yes, sir. Sir,
Yes.
sa exam to, sir, ba, sa Google Classroom ta mag-exam to, sir?
So, sa exam na to is nag-ask po ko sa other teachers if usa lang ginagamit. So, if mag-multiple choice ba. Pero usually sa kwa is basig choice. Ko ba nung sa ko ipabuhat sa inyo? Basig magpa-essay lang po siguro ko para sa dating nga final exam. Kaya para dali lang po siya. Pero kasagaran ako nga gina-quiz or exam kaya narapod sa module. So, basig maka-answer na po mo daan. So, sige lang, mag-announce na ako sa inyo ha. Daan before this June 11.
Yes, sir.
Ha? Karon man a week.
Ay, sir, tanang subject na ma-exam karon Thursday, sir?
Tanan?
Subject? Tanang subject na ma-exam?
Ilan ka po yung subject di karon?
Ulo, sir.
Ulo, sir.
Ulo. Ako, G5. Filipino po. Si Ma'am Cecilia. Filipino. Good sa pa yung ikatulong ang subject. Rizal. Kasi yung Rizal.
Mami Soles.
Mami Soles.
Mami Soles.
Ako yung si Hapod contact about online class.
Ano, sir?
Naanan
Hindi pa
meet
advanced
na
study
mo.
Wala pa, sir.
Wala
Through
pa.
chat lang sa GC.
Chat lang sa GC, pero wala pa po mo yung klase
Yes, sir.
high, class ani no.
Wala pa, sir.
Sige
Wala
lang,
pa.
pasig. Naway uban nga late enrollee, so ginapas sa buto nila ma'am ang about sa online class. Well, kita is klase naman ta karon una, then sa Wednesday na lang po tayo mga tuwa ka topics, pero gamay lang po siya nga mga discussion. So, kasi maka-exam na ta this June 11, kaya maputo siya ang mandate sa mua sa admin there or sa management nga dapat maka-exam jud mi sa schedule time. Basta makita naman to niyo kung schedule, di ba, nga gi-post ganina. Nga matush
Yes, sir.
siya ang schedule nga atong sundon. Kani siya ako ang makita ninyo ang PowerPoint.
Wala pa,
Sir.
Ay, wala. So,
Pilit, sir.
Pilit pa.
Module 1 pa nakita, sir.
ay dara. Kani siya.
Okay.
Makita ninyo ang
June
schedule.
11 ta mag-prelim.
June 11 ang prelim exam kay holiday man. Yung mga single karong June 12, so Happy Independence Day sa TUA, Philippines.
Happy Independence.
Happy Independent, Strong Independent Woman. And then week 3 and week 4, so kana. June 15 and then to 19. Then week 4 na po June 22 to 26. So a week after next week na po is midterm exam. Then fifth week is the June 20 and 30, July 1 to 3, and then finals exam is July 9 to 10. So na lang jud tay 6 weeks nga mag-meet sa summer class. Okay, enrollment naman po balik sugod para sa August nga first semester na po nato na klase.
Sir, dayon na dyan.
Ha? Question, Michelle?
Dayon na dyan ang next 2 years.
Dayon na ang, unsa?
Next school year.
Next school year. August jud ta na yung magklase. Laban na jud ang August.
Ala, laban na dyan.
Laban na.
Okay, di ba? Laban na sa new normal. Kapita. Na nato sa modern world. Kumana na ang...
Online, sir, through online, gihapon
Kinain ng
among classes, sir, no?
Through online, gihapon ninyo hang...
Classes for next school year.
Oh, kano siya. Isa po na siya sa... ginabuhatan dyan, namon na dyan siya ang new normal nga klase. Di ba, same as sa other schools po. Good thing sa to is naka-practice na to or naka-try na taaning online class. So, dili dyan po siya lalim, di ba? How about sa other na mga schools nga? Mas magpait sila dito sa mo. Dabi na mga public school or sa DepEd.
Sana all rich.
Naiuban na mga teachers na very oldie na or tigulangon na. So, di na kayo sila relate sa pag-use ng laptop.
Topic 2 ng young student.
Yes? Kasi na-question.
Sir, pwede na mag-out sir din ako madungog imong tingog na nag-senso sa
Okay, wala na may question.
Bye, Emma.
Okay na?
Sir.
So, if wala na yung question, so i-dismiss na ako inyong video.
Sir, saan mo record?
Ang recording, kasi naka-record. Di ko ka-record rin, nakalimot ko. So, pwede siya i-visit sa mga wala. Pero ang sa recording, sa laptop lang na audio, ang sa cellphone bro, dili siya madunggan na itong mga ginapangyaw-yaw dari.
Try lang mag-send mo, sir. Masend mo siya.
So, kato lang. So, wala na may question.
Wala na, sir.
Wala na. So, thank you for your time and have a good day. So, God bless everyone. So,
Thank you, sir.
Bye, sir.
Bye.
Bye.
Hi, sir. Thank you.
Welcome.
Ikaw mo hawa.
Isa na gusto makawa. Kaya mingawon gusto na sa iya ha. Sana all mingawon.
Sana all.
Sana all. Bye.
Bye, sir.
Wala na. Hawa.